Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a company that touches a part of our lives many of us hold dear, our pets. We're talking about Zoetis, ticker ZTS, the global leader in animal health. Visual, opening graphic with Zoetis logo and stock analysis. Zoetis, ZTS, Section 1. Why animal health is a big deal. You know how much we love our furry, feathered, and thin family members, right? Well, that emotional connection is driving a massive industry. Think about it, our pets are practically family, and we want them to have the best care, often human-grade treatments. This trend, combined with a huge global demand for protein, like beef and chicken, makes the animal health market incredibly resilient and profitable. Zoetis is right at the heart of this, leading the charge. Visual, split screen, a happy dog on one side, a healthy-looking cow or chicken on the other. On-screen text, global animal health market, $68.7 billion, 2025, $156 billion, 2033, Section 2. What Zoetis actually does. Zoetis, which actually spun off from Pfizer back in 2013, operates a really smart business model. They cover the continuum of care for animals, from predicting problems to preventing, detecting, and treating them. And they do this by selling directly to vets, building strong relationships. Visual, animation of a continuum of care cycle graphic. Predict-prevent-detect-treat, companion animals. The main driver, the biggest part of their business, about 70% of sales in 2025, comes from our beloved companion animals, dogs, cats, and horses. This is where the pets as family trend really pays off. Think about chronic conditions your pet might have. Zoetis is a leader in advanced therapies like monoclonal antibodies, often called mAbs, which are cutting-edge biological drugs. Visual, cute pet montage. On-screen text, companion animals, 70% of sales, their competitive edge? Blockbuster products for common issues. For example, in dermatology, they have Apoquel and Cytopoint for pet allergies, a huge reason for vet visits. And in parasite control, there's Simparica Trio, a triple action drug protecting against heartworm, fleas, and ticks, actually hit over $1 billion in U.S. sales in 2025 alone. That's massive. Visual, product logos, Apoquel, Cytopoint, Simparica Trio. On-screen text, Simparica Trio, over $1 billion in U.S. sales. Livestock, the stable foundation while pets drive profitability. The livestock segment, cattle, swine, poultry, fish, provides a really stable foundation, making up about 30% of their revenue. Here, Zoetis focuses on productivity and sustainability, offering vaccines and other products that help farmers ensure healthy animals, and even reduce environmental impact, like with their tools for dairy farmers. Visual, farm animals montage. On-screen text, livestock, 30% of sales, Section 3, how Zoetis makes money and keeps making more. Financially, Zoetis has been incredibly consistent. Between 2021 and 2025, their revenue grew from around $7.8 billion to $9.5 billion, and their net income jumped from $2 billion to nearly $2.7 billion. Even with global challenges like currency swings, they've shown strong, steady growth. Visual, simple bar chart showing ZTS revenue and net income growth 2021 to 2025. Their profitability is truly impressive. They boast gross profit margins over 70%, meaning they keep a lot of every dollar they sell. And they're great at sharing that success with shareholders. Zoetis has increased its annual dividend for 12 straight years. Plus, in 2025, they returned over $4.1 billion to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. That's a serious commitment to investors. Visual, on-screen text, gross profit margin, 71.9%, 12 consecutive years of dividend increases, $4.1 billion returned to shareholders in 2025. Section 4. The competitive landscape. Who's challenging the leader? Now, Zoetis is the undisputed leader, holding about 20% of the total animal health market. But even leaders face competition. Rivals like Merck and Boehringer Ingelheim are strong players. And in 2025, a key competitor, Elanco, launched direct challenges to Zoetis' big dermatology and parasiticide products with Zenrelia and Credelio Quattro. Visual, graphic showing top animal health companies by market share with ZTS highlighted at the top. But here's the kicker. When you compare Zoetis to its closest listed competitor, Elanco, the difference in financial health is stark. Zoetis' gross profit margin is 71.9% compared to Elanco's 51.5%. And while Zoetis made a strong profit, Elanco was actually loss-making in 2025 on a GAAP basis and carries significantly more debt. This shows Zoetis' superior operational efficiency and financial strength. Visual, side-by-side comparison chart for ZTS versus Elan for gross profit margin, 71.9% versus 51.5%, and net profit margin, 28.2% versus minus 4.92%. Section 5. The future of Zoetis. Innovation and growth. So, what's next for Zoetis? They're heavily invested in the future, particularly in biotechnology and digital tools. Visual, graphic, future growth drivers, biotech and digital, monoclonal antibodies, mAbs. Their big bet is on those advanced monoclonal antibodies, or mAbs. These are game changers for chronic conditions in pets. For example, Librela for dogs and Solensia for cats are the first ever mAbs approved for osteoarthritis pain. And they're developing long-acting versions, like Lenivia, that could give pets pain relief for up to 3 months with a single injection. Think about how much easier that is for pet owners than daily pills. Visual, animation showing a long-acting injection. On-screen text, long-acting mAbs. 1 shot equals 3 months relief. They also have pipelines for chronic kidney disease and even oncology. Plus, they're integrating AI into diagnostics for early disease detection. Zoetis is clearly not resting on its laurels. Section 6. Risks to consider. Of course, no investment is without risk. For Zoetis, there's been increased regulatory scrutiny around the safety of their OA pain mAbs, Librela and Solensia, with some reports of adverse events leading to reviews and enhanced labeling. While the drugs remain on the market, this could impact prescribing habits. Visual, risk factors icon with a warning sign. On-screen text, regulatory scrutiny on mAbs. They're also exposed to global economic headwinds, like tariffs, unfavorable currency exchange rates, and disease cycles in livestock markets, like swine flu in China. And while they have strong patent protection, competitors are always looking to challenge their leading products. Section 7. The investment takeaways. So, what's the bottom line for investors? Zoetis, ticker ZTS, is a quality stock. It offers high predictability, a dominant market share, excellent margins, and consistent growth, fueled by innovation, especially in advanced biotech therapies. They also have a fantastic track record of returning capital to shareholders. Visual, Zoetis logo. On-screen text, ZTS, the quality and growth leader. While it often trades at a premium valuation because of all these strengths, it's best suited for long-term buy and hold investors seeking stability and growth in a resilient sector. If you're looking for a company at the forefront of caring for our animals, both pets and livestock, Zoetis certainly stands out as a high-quality leader. Visual, final graphic with Zoetis logo and invest in innovation. Invest in quality. What are your thoughts on Zoetis? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.